To set a custom keyboard theme on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings, scroll all the way down into Settings and choose Additional Settings. Then we need to go to Languages and Input. Over here choose Manage Keyboards and then go to Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Then choose Theme. Over here at the top you have My Themes. We can press this plus button in order to create your own theme, and we can use any photo that we have in the gallery as the background for our keyboard. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo. We can adjust the photo. So let's say I'm gonna set it up like this, and then once we are done we can press next. We can adjust the brightness of the photo for the keyboard. So let's say I'm gonna set it up like this, and then we can press done. We can enable and disable keyboards as well. We can tap on this pen in order to set not to set the name, to edit the photo again. We can also remove it later on over here by tapping on this trash here. Press apply, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, we have our own custom theme on our keyboard. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.